In this video, we provide the ideal shopping recommendations if you want to eliminate stains, eliminate odors, or just give your floors, rugs, and carpets a complete cleaning. We can assist you in determining the model type, desired features, and the best appliance for your budget. You may discover information about our testing procedures, our list of the top 5 best carpet cleaners, and our checklist of qualities to look for in a model. I will provide links in the description so you may access the most recent pricing. Starting our list with the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. This portable spot cleaner is perfect for those with kids or pets because its compact, rolling design makes it easy to whip out as needed. It was able to remove serious pet stains and odors, both new and old, from our carpet as well as food spills on an area rug. We especially love the portable design, which features a retractable handle so you can roll it from room to room, much like a suitcase. Weighing in at just 18.3 pounds, this compact powerhouse is designed to swiftly address spills and accidents with ease. The dual-action pet tool attaches to the hose so you can easily tackle stains on hard-to-reach places including stairs, upholstery, mattresses, pet beds, car interiors, and more. Plus, it is equipped with rubberized bristles that help to grab loose pet hair as you shampoo the carpet. Both the dirty and clean water tanks are removable for easy cleaning. Just keep in mind that they only hold about a half-gallon each, although this is likely more than enough for spot treating individual stains. The number 2 is the Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 Commercial Carpet Cleaner. This carpet cleaner is the most effective at removing stains and leaving our carpets smelling fresher and looking cleaner. With a dual tank design and a hopping 3.9-gallon clean water capacity, over double that of the carpet cleaner with the next highest capacity. It is ideal for a home or business with large amounts of carpeting. Weight is 39.5 pounds. Features include powerful jets that inject cleaning solution into the carpet, vibrating scrub brushes to lift dirt and stains, and pro-grade suction power that helps to aid in stain removal and drying time. This carpet cleaner had one of the highest decibel measures of all those we tested, but if you are looking to regularly deep clean a space with wall-to-wall carpeting, there are a few carpet cleaners that can compete with the power of this commercial-style model. The number 3 is the Hoover Smartwash Pet Complete Automatic Carpet Cleaner. This carpet cleaner comes with a number of special features that set it apart from the competition, including an automatic cleaning solution dispenser that mixes and dispenses the cleaning solution as you go, and a detachable Pretreat stain remover wand for removing set and stains. Plus, it automatically switches between wet and dry cleaning. Simply push forward to wash and pull back to dry. You can also give it a few more passes with a dry-only setting to remove as much moisture as possible, which is particularly useful for area rugs that can hold onto a lot of water. Finally, the dual tank system keeps the water and cleaning solutions separate from the dirty water tank, so there is no need to constantly empty and refill. In terms of attachments and accessories, this carpet cleaner comes with an 8-foot hose and a pet tool for spot treating stains or tackling hard-to-navigate areas such as stairs or upholstery. Weight is 18.9 pounds. Keep in mind that it is on the heavier side for an upright model, but for households with wall-to-wall carpeting, the trade-off is well worth it for its ability to wash and dry large areas in less time. The number 4 is Bissell Big Green Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Big Green Pet Pro completely rids our carpet of wine stains, fresh coffee, and chocolate syrup with the help of its power brush and numerous cleaning attachments. Weight is 44 pounds. After 2 months of consistent use, it has significantly brightened white carpeting and eliminated lingering pet odors. As a full-size, commercial-style carpet cleaner, this machine is best for those with wall-to-wall carpeting, especially pet owners, and those with kids who make frequent messes. This carpet cleaner features 2 tanks, one for clean water and one for dirty water collection, both of which hold up to 1.75 gallons. The 10.5-inch cleaning path makes quick work of large, open spaces, plus it is outfitted with a 6-inch stain tool, a pet upholstery tool, and a 9-foot hose for getting into hard-to-reach areas. One advantage of its size is you do not have to bend down to push the machine along, and we found it easy and comfortable to steer, thanks in part to the ergonomic handle. The number 5 is Hoover Powered Ash Pet Advanced Carpet Cleaner. This upright carpet cleaner managed to remove long-standing stains and left our carpets smelling fresher and looking brighter, even in high-traffic areas. We particularly like that, despite the fact that it's an upright unit. It weighs just over 12 pounds, so it is easy enough to carry up and down the stairs with one hand. Its wide cleaning path makes quick work of wall-to-wall carpeting, but it also comes with an 8-foot hose and a pet attachment, so you can easily clean stairs and upholstery or spot treat stubborn stains. Its low profile easily slides under higher furniture, such as kitchen tables or beds. The 2 large tanks are easy to fill and empty. One full tank of clean water and solution is enough to tackle an entire bedroom, and they are easy enough to rinse out after each use too. In conclusion, the list features a range of effective carpet cleaners suited for various needs. Among them, the Hoover Smartwash Pet Complete Automatic Carpet Cleaner stands out with its innovative features like automatic cleaning solution dispensing, versatile wet and dry cleaning, and an efficient dual tank system. The best carpet cleaner ultimately depends on individual requirements, personal preference, and of course, budget.